Stop! Look! You're all on camera! Right there!
Floating in the air is a multi-copter, underneath a camera. This is the view from above. The multi-copter captivates the children who've never seen anything like it. Hirokazu Somemiya is a professional cameraman living in Tatebayashi, Gunma Prefecture. He's gathered local children to show them the fun of aerial photography.
Slowly. Move it slowly.
First grader Yuga Ishigaki. It's his first time flying a multi-copter. But he quickly learns how to control it by himself. The camera can be adjusted while looking at the view using the touch panel display. GPS helps track its location to within 2.5 meters, with signals captured from more than 10 satellites. What's more, sensors collect data such as air pressure, tilt, and direction to automatically adjust its position.
It's going to go straight up.
In an instant, it's high in the sky. It can ascend at a speed of 6 meters a second. As with a radio-controlled helicopter, no license is needed to fly it. Easy to operate. Multi-copters are putting aerial photography within reach of amateurs as well. Koto War Tokyo. This is a company that manufactures and sells multi-copters. Called DJI Japan. It's headquartered in Shenzhen, China. This large-sized multi-copter.
It's been used recently at the World Cup and also at a number of concerts in Japan.
An entrepreneurial venture launched in 2006, it is considered one of the top makers of multi-copters for aerial photography. In Japan, they put a new camera-equipped model on the market this year of less than $1,500 and have been growing market share.
We ship around 30,000 units a month around the world, and about 1,500 in Japan. That's about 5 times more than a year ago.
Companies around the world are starting to use such multi-copters. In the United States, online retailer Amazon has been researching deliveries by drones. And in September, Germany-based DHL began trialing deliveries to island communities. In Japan, commercial applications are already underway. Readying a multi-copter is an employee of security services provider Alsac. It lifts off. The multi-copter flies over a solar power facility. What are they doing?
I'm checking the images from the aerial robot. I want to make sure that there aren't any problems with the panels.
There are 2 monitors. One shows the flight route. The multi-copter automatically flies along the yellow line. The other is footage from an infrared camera. A white dot. A problem has been found. He goes on site to check.
This is probably a bird dropping. It's stuck here and obstructing the solar panel.
An inspection of the 1.2-hectare solar power facility is completed in about 7 minutes. The time has been reduced to less than a tenth of that needed for an inspection on foot. From October, Alsoc began testing multi-copters to carry out such checks. They plan to expand their use starting next April. Chiba University. Researchers here are eyeing the global multi-copter market. Appearing from a hangar is the latest multi-copter. They are developing aircraft to survey the reactor buildings of the damaged Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant. The project is headed by a leading researcher in the field of multi-copters, Professor Kenzo Nonami.
Places where GPS doesn't work, such as inside buildings and tunnels.
The key is the two components attached to the body. They emit lasers, allowing the multi-copter to create a three-dimensional map while flying. As a result, it can operate stably in places blocked from GPS signals without colliding into walls and other obstacles. In the mass production of multi-copters, Japanese firms lag behind Chinese rivals. The aim is to turn the tables through technological innovation. Professor Nonami set up a university-affiliated entrepreneurial venture to commercialize this product.
We're making preparations with the aim of producing 500 to 1,000 units next fiscal year. We want to prove that we're a world-class manufacturer as quickly as possible. Our hope is that our products will be put to practical use in the most advanced markets.